Hello everyone, my name is Joyce Karotapuram and welcome to my new video of Decision with Intelligence. Today we are going to discuss about virtual internship. What exactly is virtual internship, how we can enroll in that virtual internship and which all companies are providing virtual internship. So let's get started. So as you can see in my screen, we have I'm just opened a virtual internship provided by Tata. So what exactly is virtual internship? You see, virtual internship is not just like a physical internship. What when we go to the company and they provide us guidance. Virtual internship is something like the companies provide us task. We have to complete the task, and as a reward of completion of the task, they will provide us the certificate with the company name. So there are many companies provides the virtual internship, like say it's Accenture, PwC, Tata, etc. So among all the internships, virtual internships, today we are going to see about the virtual internship that the Tata company has provided us. Tata company is one of the most renowned company, as we all know, and that company is providing a virtual internship on specifically on data visualization. So as you can see, data visualization empowering business with the effective insights. You see, this internship is totally free. You have to just register yourself with the email ID and add the details, and after that you are free to go with the virtual internships. As I said before, the company will provide you some of the task. You have to perform that task and submit it, and once you submit the task, once you have completed all the tasks, they will be providing you the certificate with the company's name. You see, this is considered as one of the most important in the resume. You can add that certificate in that resume so that you can showcase your skills, because practical knowledge is one of the most important you need in the IT field, and specifically in data science, where practical is one of the most important thing. So in this Tata virtual internship, we will be they are provided us specifically for the data visualization. So moving forward, this virtual internship is free. The program is self-paced. It requires 3.5 to 4 hours. They have provided the average hours. Everyone have their own pace. Some people take more time to complete, some people take less time. So they have just provided a average pace of time, but there is no time limit in this. You can pace as per your time limit, and whenever you complete, they will provide you the certificate, and you will obviously get the practical skills and knowledge. So here is the description what all about this virtual internship is all about. The virtual internship program is one of our company's Tata Insights and Quant. You will get insights into how our passionate multidisciplinary experts solve some of the business problems. So why this virtual internship is important? Because the companies which are providing these internships like Accenture or Tata, we can get the real time business case scenarios. You see, in colleges we study, we do practical work there, but we don't get the exact business scenarios. This virtual internships help us that how we can solve the exact business problems, business scenarios, and how we will tackle it. So for this visualization, for this data visualization virtual internship, you have to use data visualization tools like Tableau or Power BI, and you have to create amazing stories or dashboards and provide the insights to them. So moving forward, we will see how this benefit, how, as I told you, how will this benefit. You can add this certificate in the CV and even the LinkedIn. This will showcase you your practical skills on the particular tool. So what all the task will be there? Let's see. First, framing the business scenario. What exactly the business, the use case will be all about. You will see in the first task, and where you will learn the practical skills of visualization, data analysis, and data interpretation. Second, there is a choosing the right visuals. For particular use case, we need to decide which visuals we need to use. So for that, choosing the right visuals. Third is the creating effective visuals, preparing a dashboard and providing insights, creating the insights from the data that the Tata company has provided us. It's one of the most important for for the preparation of the dashboard and for data visualization. And the fourth, that is the communicating insights and analysis. What are your findings? What exactly have you find it from the data? What insights have you find it from the data? And how it can be related with our scenario, with the scenario that has been provided by the Tata company. So this fourth task is all about the virtual internship that the Tata company has provided. As you see, you have to just register, it's totally free. You can work on the practical skills, and not even that. Whenever you complete a practical skill, suppose let's take whenever you complete a task, let's say you have completed this choosing the right visual task and you submit it. After submission of this visual, they provide their own, let's say, feedback. And not only that, they also provide the solution also, what their experts have worked on it. So you will get to learn that where you have made the mistake. So it's very easy and very actually it's very knowledgeable to learn this, and really you can get to learn very much from this internship. So this was the internship, what one of the internship that the Tata company has provided us, provided for the data visualization. The link for this description is in the comment section, it's the description part. Please do visit and you will be able to. It's very means knowledge. You will get to learn many things about the data visualization from it. So this is the all video, the all about in today's video. For more related this video, please subscribe to my channel, and till then, happy learning.